Do you know that you can measure a land area in Google Maps? Yes, that's right, you can. You can also measure a distance from point A to point B to point C to point D to an ending point if you want, and come up with a land area as well. Okay, first up guys, open up your browser, then we go to the Google Maps. You can see it here, Google Maps. I'll go there. Then the very first thing you're going to do is try to locate which one you try to measure. Okay, so I'll go dive in here. Okay, let's try to measure this one. So in this map, I want to measure the area of this. Now, you cannot get the very exact measurement, but close enough. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is like click and press for like 2 to 3 seconds. So 1001, 1002, 1003. Then there's a pin that's going to be created. Now, the next thing I want to do is just right click in this one. Then you can see an option like measure a distance. So I'm going to click that one. Now, the next time that I'm going to click this one is the other point that's going to measure. So I'm going to click. There you go. It says that is 220 meters. Okay, 0.30 meters. So I want to go here and click, okay? Then go here, click, and then you get the idea. Okay, I'm doing the estimate here, but if you want to like do it perfectly, then you need to zoom in and follow the angles like that. But all of those options will be up to you, you see? So to make this one quick, I'll just go ahead and do an approximate area click here, and you can see that the distance is adding up, right? Okay, all right, and then if I'm going to click here, it completed this one, and you can see here below, total area. You can see this one, and total distance. Okay, you got that? You have the area and the distance. Now, if you want to like remove this one, if you go mouse over here, it says drag to change. You can change this one like that. You can drag also this one, and then you can click again here, and then you add again here, release. You can drag this one. You can also drag this point. You can drag that point. Okay, you can drag that one, and you can see that it's changing. Once you meet this one with the other end, then it's going to give you a total area, right? So very cool. Now, if you want to remove, it says click to remove. Click to remove, click to remove, click to remove, click to remove, click to remove. You can remove it. Okay, click to remove, click to remove. If you want to move that one again, you can. That's how easy it is. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.